Unlock your gateway to international earning and payments right here in Sri Lanka by mastering the Payoneer account creation process. The first step is to navigate to the official Payoneer website. You'll see a prominent sign up or get started button, usually in the top right corner. Click on that to begin your journey. Next, Payoneer will ask you to select your account type. For most individuals in Sri Lanka looking to receive payments for freelance work or online services, choose freelancer or service provider. If you represent a registered business, then select professional or business. Now, you'll need to fill out your personal details. This section requires your legal first name and last name, exactly as they appear on your official identification documents. Carefully enter your email address and your date of birth. Moving on, we come to contact information. Ensure Sri Lanka is already selected as your country. Then, accurately enter your street address, city, postal code, and a valid mobile phone number. This phone number is crucial for verification. For security, you'll create a username and password. Payoneer has specific password strength requirements. Make sure to create a strong, unique password. You'll also need to select and answer a security question, which will assist in account recovery. To verify your identity, Payoneer will request you to upload a copy of a governmentist ID. This could be your national identity card, NIC, or your passport. Ensure the details on your ID are clear and match the information you've entered. The next critical step is linking your Sri Lankan bank account. Payoneer typically offers direct bank transfer as an option. You'll need to provide your bank name, account number, and SWIFT code for your Sri Lankan bank to receive funds directly. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click the Submit Application button. Your application will now be under review by Payoneer. This process can take a few business days. You'll typically receive an email confirming your submission and updates on the verification status. Congratulations! Once your account is approved, you'll receive a confirmation, and you'll be ready to start receiving payments from clients worldwide directly into your Sri Lankan bank account.